Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Wallpaper Engine and making sure it's updated. This avoids missing features. Next, sign into Steam and enable workshop access so you can download wallpapers. Once done, pick a search strategy, keywords for themes, tags for styles, or a creator name if you want consistent quality. You'll save time by narrowing results up front. This prevents endless scrolling. Now, enter a concise keyword, add a tag filter, and hit search to see curated matches immediately. You now refine results with filters, choose resolution, performance impact, and sort by newest or trending to find current picks. When you hover a wallpaper, use the preview to check animation smoothness and audio behavior so nothing surprises you later. Make sure to look at estimated CPU or GPU usage. High effects may reduce performance. Once satisfied, subscribe to download. This registers the item in Workshop so updates sync automatically. If a preview, apply the wallpaper and tweak position, scale, and playback. You can loop, mute, or set startup behavior to match your workflow. Then set a performance profile, for example, pause on full screen or limit FPS to save resources. If something goes wrong, first restart Wallpaper Engine and clear the cache. If that fails, unsubscribe and resubscribe to the asset to force a fresh download. Finally, make sure GPU drivers are current. Outdated drivers often cause rendering glitches, so update them and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.